Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a few Spider-Man suits that is absolutely amazing. So, first and foremost, we got the Iron Spider suit that we've seen in the Avengers movie as well as in the Spider-Man movie. This one has, arms that can protrude out the back. But yeah, now let's move on to the other suits. If you go to suits, this is going to be the original one right here. As you can see, nothing really that special about it other than the fact this is an original creation. So that means this suit is not in any comics or anything. This suit was created specifically for this game. This is gonna be the very classic suit. I believe if you watch the Spider-Man cartoons, as well as if you've played the previous Spider-Man games, this small spider in the back as well as this small spider in the front, this is like the OG, the original Spider-Man suit that was ever shown to us. And this is the Spider-Man Noir suit. Now, the Spider-Man Noir, I think anyone that reads the Spider-Man comics and has read the Spider-Man Noir comics would know that this Spider-Man is a very backdated Spider-Man, like 19 something or 18 something. I forgot the proper date, but this Spider-Man was more like Batman. Yeah, imagine Spider-Man being Batman. That's what this guy was. No killing, hunting only at night, staying in the darkness. The typical stuff that Batman says and does. Then you've got the Scarlet Spider. Now there's not really much to show about this other than the fact that it looks like this. Yeah, Scarlet Spider is like a very tech savvy kind of person. Then you got the Mark II Armor Spider suit. Now this spider suit is nice. I'm not gonna say it's bad. It looks quite nice, but I don't really like it that much. Then you have the Scarlet War or Secret War? Secret War suit. So, as some might know and some might not know, a few days ago, not a few, like a few months ago, Marvel did release their timeline. So Secret Wars, Avengers Secret Wars is gonna be a thing. We might be able to see the suit, so this suit might be coming to the big screen. Let's move on, shall we? Then you got the Stark suit, the one that you've seen in the movie. There's no need for an introduction for this suit. Everyone's seen it. Tom Holland, Spider-Man, wears it all the time. The negative suit is basically a negative version of this suit. Then you got the Electro suit. This is quite an interesting suit. It's like a buffed up Spider-Man. The Spider-Punk, the wrestler suit, the one you might have seen in the original Spider-Man. Fear itself suit. Now, I don't have much knowledge about this suit, so I won't be able to say much. Big Time suit. I've seen this before. I think you might have seen this before in the previous Spider-Man games as well as in the comics. Spider-Man Mark III suit. Now, this is basically an armored Spider-Man suit, which is like Mark III. Like Tony Stark's Mark I, Mark II, Mark III. This is something just like that. Spirit Spider is when Spider-Man got basically Ghost Rider? Yeah, Ghost Rider, and Spider-Man became one. This is that. Mark IV suit, Spider-Man Mark IV, basically an upgraded version of this. 2099 suit, wait, this is 2099 suit. Then your Iron Spider suit from the movie. Velocity suit. I can't unlock this yet. And then you've got the Last Stand suit. Now this Last Stand suit is... Now, I'm not going to spoil anything, which is why I'm not going to say much about this, but it's a very good suit. The vintage comic suit. Then you've got the 2099 white suit. And then all the original suits that you've seen in the movie, except for this one. I have no idea what suit this is. And this one. Other than that, original Spider-Man, the Amazing Spider-Man, the stealth suit that we saw in Tom Holland Spider-Man, on the Spider-Man 2, I forgot the name, Far From Home. Away From Home, No Way Home suit, This is the upgraded one, the black Spider-Man suit that we've seen in the second variant of the Spider-Man movie, where Tom Holland creates his own Spider-Man suit. This one, I have no idea, and this is basically a funny gag suit that was on the comics, and now they brought it to the PC. I mean, to the game. With that being said, these are all the suits I have unlocked. There are a few more that I'll have to unlock. Once I've done that, I will be showcasing those as well. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.